right, we are out in the hill country here in San Antonio, Texas, and we are checking out this beautiful Perry home here in Megan's Landing. This one is priced at just under $850,000. It is beautiful, very, very beautiful. We just checked out a David Weekley, and I say we because today I'm actually hanging with my beautiful wife. So she's gonna help guide us on this tour, which just right off the bat, these two lights right here in the entrance, super cool, gutters all around. That is helpful. And we've got tile in the front patio. So double entry doors. What else, Mary?
We have the first out of two studies here, both with French glass doors. Really spacious office, which could also be turned into a bedroom if you wanted to.
And this one is 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, which means that, which means that everyone has their own private bathroom, which is really, really cool. And it's a little bit over 3,300 square feet on half an acre lot.
3,300 square feet, half an acre lot. And I don't want to go through this other bedroom here, but the second bedroom is just right there. That also has its own bathroom. Got the utility room right there. Nice little hallway there. But this is what makes this house amazing. Fireplace, sliding door. Look at that.
Huge living area with a little bar situation on the side.
And the David Weekley home we just saw, the kitchen is just,
And
this
look,
kitchen is just crazy.
Isn't it a Perry thing that they have like cabinets like all around the
Oh yeah.
island?
Yeah, which means extra storage. Great point, Mary. Extra storage right there, because why not utilize it? It's a very interesting backsplash, but it's pretty cool. A little island here.
Ooh, I hadn't noticed that the sink is also marble. It's usually like also stainless steel, but this one's marble
Wow.
inside too.
That is.
Pretty fancy.
A ton of space all around. And here is the kind of second enclosed office.
Huge study space. Personally, I would dream of a house with something like this, especially with 2 work from home people. This is like perfect because you can have your own desk in this space and then also have like a lounge area if you wanted to. Huge windows. Right now it has a beautiful view. So yeah, super cool. I would love to work from here.
Yeah. And so, quick reminder of where we are here in Megan's Landing. It is up Petranco Road from 211. So, yeah, that's where we are location-wise. We've got the new Microsoft data center opening a couple miles from here. So a lot of growth happening over here. A ton of growth. This is the primary bedroom with 4 windows there. Bay windows would have been awesome. Nice, popping out there, but this will do. And the bathroom here with a garden tub in the middle.
2 separate vanities, each really good size. Very nice walk-in shower. And separate his and hers closets, because we know guys can be a little messy. And it'd be nice to just shut the door and not see the mess. So this is perfect for that, right?
Y'all heard it here first, folks. The guys are messy. I'm pretty sure that is discrimination based upon sex or gender. So this is the other closet. And these are 11-foot ceilings here.
And this little area is really cool.
That is cool.
Unique.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Nice. So yeah, these homes up here in Megan's Landing, half an acre lot. You've got a ton of space there. None of these, or some of these homes don't have fencing yet, but you can put your own privacy fence. And then real quick, so every bedroom here has its own ensuite bathroom. Really cool. This is where you come in, and the only other, the powder room, the one that everybody can use, is right here. So even this half bathroom is pretty private. And it is coming, there's this mudroom here that comes right in front of the garage with windows. And just like the one we just saw at David Weekley, that was slightly lower price. It also had 2 water heaters, 2 expansion tanks, and it is plumbed for a water softener right there. But same thing, same scenario, 3-car garage and a little nook there. It's cool. And the 4th bedroom with its own bathroom.
And hallway.
And hallway, yeah, that's true. These are nice bathrooms. Nice bathrooms. Right here.
And the windows are so low because it's at the front of the house. So it gives it a very nice elevation and just a lot of view from inside.
Mm-hmm.
And what's really cool that maybe some might not like, but I actually like that every secondary bedroom is actually pretty isolated from each other. It's usually like the master bedroom is isolated from everything else, and all the other bedrooms are pretty close together. But in this plan, all the secondary bedrooms are pretty isolated from each other, which is pretty cool because it gives you more privacy.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So let's check out the backyard, the back patio. Just like in the front, we've got tile here. Has can lights, but it doesn't have a fan. But that little light right there I bet you that's the one that they were thinking about putting a fan, but decided to not include it for this one. But you could put a fan there so it could have some air circulating here with the summer heat. But yeah, this is it here in Megan's Landing. Beautiful home. Let's check it out together.